In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a completed DocuSign document. Whether you need to save a copy for your records, share it with others, or simply keep organized, downloading your signed documents is an essential skill. Let's walk through this process step by step to make sure you have everything you need. First things first, you'll want to log into your DocuSign account. Head over to DocuSign.com and enter your credentials to sign in. If you encounter any trouble signing in, you may need to reset your password, which can typically be done through the Forgot Password link on the login page. Once you're logged in, let's find where your completed documents are stored. Now, direct your attention to the top menu and locate the Agreements tab. This is where you'll manage all your documents. Clicking on Agreements will expand a variety of options. From here, take a look at the left-hand navigation pane. Under the Agreements section, you'll see a category labeled Completed. This is where DocuSign neatly organizes all the documents you've signed and completed. Click on Completed to proceed. With the Completed section in view, you'll notice a listing of all the documents that have been finalized. Take your time to browse through these documents until you locate the one you wish to download. If you have a large number of signed documents, you might find it helpful to use the search bar or sort the documents by date to make this process quicker. Once you've found the desired document, click on it to open it. Great, you've opened your document. At the top of the page, you'll see several icons. Look for the familiar download icon. This usually looks like a downward-facing arrow. Go ahead and click on it. This will prompt a Download Options menu to appear, allowing you to select the file format you prefer. Typically, PDF is the most common and convenient format for sharing and printing. However, you can choose from other available formats depending on your needs. At this point, select the format you desire and confirm which files to download if there are multiple components within your document. And that's it. Your document will now commence downloading to your computer, ready for you to use as needed. It's always a good idea to keep these files organized on your own device, perhaps in a dedicated folder, so you can find them easily in the future. Thank you for watching this tutorial on downloading completed DocuSign documents. I hope you found these steps clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore additional resources or reach out for support. Have a great day and happy document managing.